Floating artificial islands. Floating artificial islands are an innovative technology that help clean water bodies while also improving their appearance. According to DWA statistics, around 80% of global diseases are linked to contaminated water, making solutions like these very important. These islands are already used in many countries and generally come in two types: dry and wet. The main difference is in vegetation. Dry islands don't touch the water directly, allowing larger plants to grow. When placed properly, they also provide safe habitats for fish and birds. These platforms are designed to support aquatic plants in areas too deep for natural growth. Their roots extend through the island into the water, creating dense root columns with a large surface area. These roots absorb nutrients and pollutants, while also fostering microbes that form a slimy biofilm. This biofilm is essential in breaking down contaminants. The floating mats also reduce turbulence from wind and waves, allowing sediments to settle and further improving water quality. Overall, floating islands offer a sustainable way to clean ponds, stormwater basin. Gravel G22 Plus. In countries like Germany, Italy, and the United States, many kids begin rock climbing as early as school. Some schools even include it as an optional subject. As a result, the US alone has more than 5 million climbers under 18, creating strong demand for reliable gear such as the Gravel G22 Plus. This crampon weighs 861 grams per pair and comes with 12 points. The dual front points are shaped like katana blades, hot forged, and reinforced with a T-structure, giving them a strong bite on ice and mixed terrain. They're also replaceable, allowing long-term use. The frame is made of hot forged steel with plastic parts, and both front and back feature an anti-bot system that prevents snow buildup. It fits EU boot sizes 38 to 48 and works with both automatic and semi-automatic bindings. The 12-point design spreads weight evenly, while monorail technology reduces weight without weakening the build. Climbers value its stability, especially on ice. Gravel team member Francis Casanelli used it on routes like Denali and the Matterhorn, praising its balance and support. Haven -1. Haven 1 is a commercial space station being developed by the American aerospace company VAST. Its first launch is scheduled no earlier than May 2026 aboard a SpaceX Falcon 9 rocket. Designed to carry 4 astronauts, the station will orbit Earth and provide new opportunities for scientific research, technology testing, and space-based manufacturing. The opening mission, called VAST-1, will transport astronauts through SpaceX's Crew Dragon spacecraft for a 30-day stay. Haven 1 will use Crew Dragon systems for life support, power, cargo, and communication throughout these missions. A key part of the station will be the Haven 1 Lab, a dedicated facility for microgravity research. It will include multiple slots for experiments of different kinds. Another special feature is a large domed window, allowing breathtaking views of Earth. This serves both scientific purposes and the growing field of space tourism. King Louie Robot. NASA is supporting an unusual robot called King Louie, designed to be inflatable and highly practical for space missions. Unlike traditional robotic models, King Louie is lighter, safer, and more cost-effective. Robots like this are expected to handle many tasks in future missions that humans either cannot or would rather not do. Named after the character from Disney's The Jungle Book, King Louie looks very different from standard robots. Its inflatable structure resembles a large parade balloon, and its movements are powered by inflating or deflating chambers within its limbs. This design makes it ideal for space travel, where transporting equipment is difficult and costly. A key advantage of King Louie is its portability. It can be deflated for compact transport and reinflated at its destination, unlike rigid robotic arms or humanoids. Its soft body also reduces risks in cramped environments. Although still in the research stage, King Louie highlights the growing trend of soft robotics, machines built to be more adaptable, portable, and practical. Lab-grown meat, or cultivated meat, is a major innovation in food technology. Instead of raising and killing animals, scientists grow real meat from animal cells in a lab. Using bioreactors, the cells are given nutrients that help them grow and turn into muscle tissue, creating meat without harming any animals. This approach can greatly reduce greenhouse gas emissions, save water, and require less land, making it a sustainable alternative to traditional farming. As the technology improves, lab-grown meat could change the way we produce and eat food, offering cruelty-free and eco-friendly options. Most importantly, it keeps the same taste and texture as regular meat. With lab-grown meat, we can enjoy our favorite foods while caring for animals and the environment, making our meals more sustainable, healthier, and kinder for the planet and future generations. The leverage sled recreates a real game-like experience, giving players the feel of genuine impact while training with resistance similar to pulling 60 kg. The 2020 ZLE sled has been upgraded with major improvements to boost both performance and realism. This new version is lighter, making it easier to push and control, especially on grass fields. One of the biggest upgrades is the redesigned pad system. The pads can now twist left or right, copying the natural movements of a real opponent. For added realism, the optional Z2 pad comes with a shoulder breastplate, allowing attackers to grip handles just like in a game. Each sled arm works independently, moving in several directions with about 10 to 12 degrees of range from the center. They require nearly 59 kilograms of force to move, closely imitating real game resistance. The arms can also be locked for different leverage heights. Two pad options are available: the Z2 pad with a built-in chest plate and handles, and the E2 pad with hand slots for grip. Move Now. Move Now is a smart gadget that works as both a fitness tracker and a personal trainer. It's a small, round device with an LED indicator, placed inside a soft rubber strap available in 2 sizes. You can wear it on your wrist or ankle, depending on your workout needs. This tracker offers several modes. It tracks daily activity, pulse, distance, calories burned, and workout time. It also includes preset programs designed for beginners to help reach specific fitness goals. There's even a free training mode for more flexibility. Move Now is waterproof, so it's perfect for swimming or pool workouts. All your progress is shown in an easy-to-use mobile app, available for both iOS and Android. The app displays clear graphs and measurements to help you stay on track. Besides fitness tracking, Move Now also monitors your sleep, keeping track of both the quantity and quality. With a price of about $60, it's a simple, affordable, and useful tool to support your fitness journey. Modular Link. Modular Link is a smart wristband that lets you control devices effortlessly using hand gestures. It works across Android, Windows, and Mac OS, making it compatible with multiple platforms. The wristband features 3 specialized surface nerve conductance (SNC) sensors that detect tiny signals from your finger movements. These signals are processed by built-in AI and converted into precise commands, allowing smooth and accurate control. Designed for seamless integration with AR systems, smart home devices, and computer applications, Modular Link acts like a lightweight wearable brain-computer interface. Users can customize gestures for tasks such as scrolling, navigating menus, or controlling media. Its pressure-sensitive design enables subtle and nuanced interactions, going beyond simple pinches. With Modular Link, controlling technology feels intuitive, natural, and responsive, offering a smooth and enhanced experience for everyday use and advanced applications alike.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share.